Every once in a while, you'll step inside a space that just feels different. Warm and welcoming with an eclectic vibe. It's almost like you can feel the life that's been lived there. For almost 5 decades, the same family has lived in this home, raising children, sharing dinners, gardening weekends, and making lifetime memories. And now it's ready for its next chapter. Will you be a part of it? Let's take a look around. Set on approximately 1/3 of an acre, this nearly 2,000 square foot 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers comfortable family living and a fenced backyard with plenty of storage that's every gardener and pet lover's dream. So if you're a first-time home buyer or looking to put down roots, this property offers something that's getting harder and harder to find. An extra large lot with room to grow. And it's already proven it's the perfect vessel for lifetime memories. If you'd like to experience it in person, book your viewing today.